Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to edit Capcut video by iOS or iPhone. So first thing you have to do now is just go open the Capcut application, and after that you just need to go click this plus button to create a new project. And now you can just add the video that you want to edit into the Capcut application. Okay, for me, let's find mine. I think I will go with the stock videos that provide by the Capcut here. And after that, you just need to find out the video that you want to add into the project. For example, let's do it this. And after that, just need to click add. And now we already have this video on our project. And the first editing tools that I would like to show you today is how to adjust in the length and take specific part on the clip from this project. So the things that we want to do that is just go bring this straight line into the specific part that we want to the clip become starting point. So I will let to you make it start on an seconds 9. And after you adjusting the position, you just need to go click edit and go directly click split. Since we want to the video is start from the 9 seconds, so we need to delete the previous part of it. So you just need to click it and go delete it. And now the next we can adjusting the position when this gonna stop. So I would like to make it in 8 seconds. So we just need to do the same, edit, split, and go delete the rest. Now we already have this specific part that we want to this video being played. Okay, and after that, let's add some words on it. So how to add the words? You just need to go click text, and after that go click add text. And now you just need to type the text that you want to add to. Okay, and when you're done with the words, you can also edit this text by go click font and find out what font that you want to add into this text. For example, this one or this one. You just need to find out the best font for the text. And after you're done, you just need to go click this down and adjusting the size, the positions, and after that don't forget to adjusting the length of the text should be appear. So bring in the end of the clip and have a try. So that's my first step to edit the Capcut video. If you find this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.